tears, I'll give it to someone special. Some lover out on the man on the cover was singing about maybe next year. I'll give it to someone
actually,
special.
actually, it's very good. This one, I think this song is helping you even more because you really like this song.
Yes.
Is ultimately is your emotion about anything that causes you to act, to do something. Okay,
Yes.
and if your emotion of this song is very high, then you're gonna try even harder. At the end, you said maybe next year. That tells me that you want to keep trying it, right?
Yes.
So if you think back on high school or university where you learned English, you probably don't remember anything, nothing much about what you've learned, right? But
Right.
you will remember pretty much every one of these songs that we have been learning, right?
Yes.
Every one of the songs is number one emotional, number two, and I always say this is that what I'm trying to help people understand is that we learn through events, and every class is an event.